Yo guys, my name is Washer J.
And this is GMJ.
Subscribe to
TJ God Kicks 89 on YouTube channel.
What is up, guys? TJ Got Kicks 89 here back. We are going to pick up the Black Cat Force today. They drop over at JDSports. I haven't seen any other store put up any posts on Instagram yet. I think this should be a pretty easy cop. This is for Arif Azlan, my friend who's been helping me out a lot in terms of sneakers and basketball in general. So let's see what happens today. Let's go see if these still in store. Time is roughly 9:45 right now. One Utama is still empty right now. Every single shop is opening up. JD is right there. Doesn't seem to be a line, so I was pretty much right. I am probably the only person picking these up today. Red 4 is on feet. So it turns out I was pretty much correct. No one else is here with me. Like you can tell, no one. Just me. So we were successful in copying the Jordan 4 Black Cat for my friend Arif. I got another bag back there, but I think I'll show that in the video later on. Then I'm going to be shooting at home, going to run a few errands today, but I can tell you that the pair that I picked up personally was definitely a surprise. Stay tuned. What is up, guys? TJ Got Kicks 89 here. We are back up in the studio, or whatever you want to call it, with the Jordan 4 Black Cats that we picked up at JDSports just now in Utama. So let's get into this one cut review because there's tons of this on YouTube, but I just wanted to share this with you and also to give Arif, the owner of this shoe, a holistic experience of what he bought. So this is the box that it comes in, like Nightwing's review and other people's review. Instead of having a red Jumpman on top of a black matte Jordan top lid, you have this blacked out Jumpman with the flight writing in there in black. It just adds to the entire monochromatic vibe, which is the Black Cat 4. You got your size tag there, Nike Malaysia, so it's not fake. And the bottom part is obviously like any other Jordan 4, 5 and 6 shoe box. So let's flip this open. And this is the pair. Alright, it's a little bit hard to pick up on camera, but I'll just try to give you this whole overview real quickly, just so that you have a rough idea if you're still wanting to buy this pair or not. Yeah, let's just put this here. Yes, there you go. Alright, so this is the Black Cat Air Jordan 4, released today, the 25th of January 2020. I think towards December last year we had the Olivia Kim Jordan 4, which had pony hair all throughout, a lot more premium detailing on that, but this is the pair that is I think what most people who have been waiting for these two retro has been waiting for. This shoe originally released in 2006. I don't exactly remember when, but I remember it was a time when Jordan brand was experimenting a lot with their retros. There was a lot of the laser stuff going on with the entire Jordan line. I think the 2020 the Jordan 20 was dropping that year. There was a lot of technological advances in Nike footwear and Jordan footwear in general, but this was released in a 2-pack, I believe. It was an all black shoe and an all white shoe, the Black Cat being this, and the Pure Money 4 and 3 being the other one. But this is the Jordan 4 Black Cat, and let's just get a really quick 360 on the shoe. The bottom there. Alright, so the Black Cat 4 Retro of 2020 features an all black upper, midsole, and outsole, and the upper is dressed up in a very nice nubuck, which gets a little ashy at times, but that happens with nubuck based materials anyways. And it's just basically an all black Jordan 4, but with, I think, the glossy hits in the lace crown in front and also in the back. And this, the wings, instead of being plastic, is also nubuck, which is also a plus, because if you tend to keep your 4s over time, the plastic pieces like this and the back will be the first to go. And continuing with this, the back heel tab, which is usually plastic, is also made up in this very nice nubuck. So this is not going to chafe your Achilles part of the heel too much. And basically, if you wear no-show socks with 4s, it's a no-go. So I think this would just alleviate a little bit of that discomfort at the back. And the Jordan logo in the back is done in a very glossy effect, similar to what they have on the outsole. And running through the lace holes, you have flat black laces. They do not come with spare laces. On the side, you have the mesh netting representing the basketball net and also all through the tongue. On the top, you have a nubuck base material for the base layer of the tongue, and the Flight logo and Jordan brand logo is done up in black and a lighter shade of gray, darker shade of gray essentially. On the insole, you've got a black liner, and also same with the tongue, which also says Air Jordan on the flip side. And you've got, if you can see just right there, is the Jordan logo in dark gray, yeah, and an Ortholite black sock liner, I believe. Yes, this is just standard Ortholite. And going to the midsole, you've got your encapsulated air in the heel and in the forefoot. The heel air is visible, and the heel air has black for the pillars on the inside, and the midsole is painted in this very nice glossy black, which just complements the shoe. And going on to the outsole, also all black again with the white Jumpman, which is the only white hit that you get on the shoe. The force traction is very aggressive, as everyone knows. I think this shoe is one of the best shoes to wear outdoors if you can still ball in your J's. And overall, that takes care of the review of the Jordan 4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to TJ Got Kicks 89. Merch is still available if you guys want to pre-order, or actually no, I have them ready stocks somewhere, but I've got the black and also the white TJ Got Kicks 89 box logo. They go for 55 ringgit a pop, and I can deliver to you if you're here in Malaysia. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. This is the Jordan 4 Black Cat 2020 Retro, the first retro since 2006. This is your boy TJ Got Kicks 89. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is your boy TJ Got Kicks 89. I'm out.